We're still in domain 1, just to let you know, okay? We're not there yet. We're not there on domain 2, which is algebra. But I hope you're learning, no? I hope you're learning from me. Same thing, competency 2. Okay. We still need to understand the complex number system and structure. Let's describe the children of competency 2. Describe the complex numbers. Algebra 2. This is algebra 2, okay? In addition, multiplication, roots, using symbolic geometrical representation. All right, here we go. Let's continue. So number, okay, if z sub 1, okay, take note about this. Z sub 1, like this, okay? That's how it is. This is not z1. It's not like that, okay? It's z sub 1. It's just my computer did not recognize this. Okay, z sub 1 is 2 plus 3i, and z sub 2 is 1 minus I. Then find z sub 1 plus, okay. Find z sub 1 plus z sub 2. Okay. What's our conceptual understanding? What's our goal? Tell me, Anna. What's our goal? It says there.
Find c plus 1 and c plus 2.
That's our goal. That's our goal, right? That's our goal, no? That's our, like, how to get to HEB. That's our goal, to get there. Okay, but this time, a different route. Okay, because different problem. Okay, what do you think? How do we solve this? What do you think? In your quick thinking, how can I do it? What do you think? What we're gonna do?
An equation form.
In equation form, good. Look what they're telling us here. What do we need to do?
Just add them.
We need to add them. That's it. We need to add them. That's simple as that, right? It looks difficult. No, it looks complicated. But they said, hey, sir, just add me. Okay, help me out, Anna. Add it. Help me.
It would be 3 plus 2i.
Okay, good. The answer is 3. How about this? 3.
2i.
This is 1. Remember, this is imaginary 1, right? 3 minus 1i. 3i minus 1i.
2i.
2i. Positive or negative? Positive. I said 2i. Positive. 2i. There you go. So this is the z1 plus z2. Okay. Easy or difficult?
No.
All right. Good. What's the answer? A, B, C, or D?
A.
A is the answer. All right. So you know what I'm saying, Anna? On the test, some of my students that took the content before, because it looks difficult, they overthink it, no? So on the test, do not overthink the question. Focus on conceptual understanding, okay? So now in this problem, the conceptual understanding is I need to add these two. That's basically your conceptual understanding. Procedural fluency is what we're doing right now, like this adding, you know? So if you know your goal, even the problem looks complicated, you can get around it. Okay, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
All right. Good.